What is your name?
Sir, my name is Anam.
What is your father's name?
Sir, my father's name is Dr. Syed Shah.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is doctor.
What is your caste?
Sir, my caste is Sayyid.
Where do you live?
Sir, I live in village Shah Parsi.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
In which class are you?
I am in class 4.
How many sisters do you have?
Sir, I have 5 sisters.
How many brothers do you have?
Sir, I have 2 brothers.
Are you student?
Yes, sir, I am a student.
How many eyes do you have?
Sir, I have 2 eyes.
How many nose do you have?
Sir, I have 1 nose.
How many ears do you have?
Sir, I have 2 ears.
How many mouths do you have?
Sir, I have 1 mouth.
How many hands do you have?
Sir, I have 2 hands.
How many legs do you have?
Sir, I have 2 legs.
How many feet do you have?
Sir, I have 2 feet.
With what do you see?
Sir, I see with my eyes.
With what do you speak?
Sir, I speak with my tongue.
With what do you hear?
Sir, I hear with my ears.
With what do you work?
Sir, I work with my hands.
With what do you write?
Sir, I write with my hand.
With what do you smell?
Sir, I smell with my nose.
With what do you taste?
Sir, I taste with my tongue.
With what do you walk?
Sir, I walk with my legs.